The 2026 Kia Stonic has been unveiled for the UK market, bringing a sharper look, enhanced technology, and a simplified grade structure. With pricing set from £21,795, it remains one of Kia's most accessible crossovers, positioned just above the Picanto. Deliveries will begin in the final quarter of 2025. Kia UK has streamlined the Stonic into three distinct trims: Pure, GT Line, and GT Line S. Each grade is positioned with clear equipment packages, while premium paint remains the only option across the range at £600. Guided by Kia's Opposites United design philosophy, the new Stonic embodies a stronger, more expressive character. While maintaining its compact dimensions, it introduces a refreshed front fascia featuring Kia's Star Map signature lighting, a sharper, more structured grille, and a striking, updated front bumper design. At the rear, a redesigned tailgate, enhanced taillight signature, and cleaner bumper profile further modernize its dynamic appearance. Inside, the Stonic features a 12.3-inch touchscreen navigation system as standard, alongside Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 4.2-inch driver display is included on lower trims, while the GT Line S gains a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, ambient lighting, and wireless smartphone charging. Seating materials progress with each trim, from cloth upholstery in the Pure to mixed leather in the GT Line and heated Nappa-trimmed seats in the GT Line S. The Stonic is available exclusively with Kia's 1.0-liter TGD petrol engine. In the Pure trim, it produces 98 brake horsepower and 172 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual or optional 7-speed DCT. Performance figures include 0 to 62 miles per hour in 11.0 seconds, manual, or 12.1 seconds, DCT, with a top speed of 111 miles per hour. In GT Line and GT Line S trims, mild hybrid assistance increases output to 113 brake horsepower, while torque remains identical. Acceleration improves slightly, with 0 to 62 miles per hour in 10.7 seconds, manual, or 10.8 seconds, DCT. Top speed rises to 113 miles per hour. Pricing starts from £21,795 for the 99 brake horsepower 1.0 liter with a manual box. Opting for an automatic adds £1,000. The range tops out at £28,295 in GT Line S trim with the 113 brake horsepower configuration.